Okay, here we have a 1987 Honda Foreman four-wheeler. Pretty decent shape for an 87. It's got the front bash bar and the rack, the headlight guards. Somebody recovered the seat with kind of a fabric material. The padding underneath it's decent, and you can feel in here where the rip was, so they put that pad over the top. It still has a factory exhaust. Somebody built this kind of aftermarket big battery deal with a car battery. He said for jumping farm equipment and stuff in the winter time. So if anybody wants a industrial strength battery charger, you could use that setup. I'll have that out there. Tires, rims, brakes, everything's good, everything works. It's got those little side panels and all that. You can see this back panel's broke over here. This one's been cut for the attachment piece, and this one's been Frankenstein fixed, and the front one has been cracked where it hit, but everything works, so it's not going to be a cosmetic deal, but it's all there. And if you need functional parts, we've got them. Started right up when I brought it out here.